In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio in Clipchamp. Whether you're new to video editing or looking to refine your skills, adjusting the aspect ratio can be pivotal for ensuring your video looks just the way you want it to on various platforms. Let's dive in and explore how this is done, step by step. To begin, open your web browser and search for Clipchamp. It's crucial to ensure you're using a reliable and updated browser to prevent any potential issues as you proceed. Once you've accessed the site, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is quick and easy. Having access to your projects in Clipchamp allows you to manage them seamlessly, which brings us to our next step. After logging in, it's time to create a new video or open an existing project that you'd like to edit. If you're starting a new project, this is the perfect opportunity to explore the various tools Clipchamp offers. For those working with existing projects, you'll appreciate the ease with which you can integrate changes to improve your work. Once your video project is open, focus your attention on the top center of the editor where you'll see the current aspect ratio displayed. It might show as something familiar, like 16:9, which is commonly used for YouTube videos. To alter this, click on the Aspect Ratio button. Doing so will prompt a drop-down menu to appear, offering you various preset options. From this drop-down, select a new aspect ratio. Clipchamp provides several presets to choose from, including popular ones like 9:16 for Instagram stories, 1:1 for square posts, 4:5, and, of course, the standard 16:9. Think about where you intend your video to be viewed and select accordingly to best suit the platform. This is a small yet crucial step to ensure your video's format aligns with your desired presentation. After changing the overall canvas size, you may notice that your clips now have black borders, commonly known as letterboxing. To address this, click on a clip in your timeline. Then, using the floating toolbar that appears above the preview area, you can remedy this by selecting either the Fill or Fit option. The Fill option will scale your video to cover the entire canvas, eliminating black borders but cutting off parts of the frame. On the other hand, the Fit option ensures that the whole frame is visible but retains those black borders. It's up to you to decide depending on the artistic direction of your video. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now capable of adjusting the aspect ratio of your videos in Clipchamp, optimizing for both aesthetic quality and platform requirements. We hope you found this guide helpful and encourage you to explore these settings to suit your creative needs. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.